morning mga kalalabs. Airport na kami. Coffee time. So may boarding time na ng Hong Kong. Dito yung gate namin. So yung flight namin is around 7:30. So it's already, I think 6:30 na ngayon. Yan, pila-pila pag may time. Boarding time mga kalalabs. See you in Bangkok. Luggage. Ayan. You wanna get it? Good job. Why you have your luggage? Where are you going? Kasama na namin si Papa Dave. Dala-dala niya rin yung luggage niya kasi magmo-move kami doon sa aming titirhan dito sa Thailand. Kakain muna kami kasi gutoms na as, hindi pa kami kumakain ni Nicole. Nagkape lang kami kasi alas 5:30 yata kami nakarating ng airport. So, wala kaming time kumain. Are we ready to eat?
Yep.
Yes! Kain muna tayo dito. Sabi ni Papa Dave, dito daw yung pinakamurang kainan sa airport. Pang local. Local people eat, sabi niya. Mura siya, sabi niya. So, dito tayo kakain. Wow! Food is life. Parang street food talaga dito, mga kalalas. Wow, look at that sauces. Holy cow, that's very spicy. Naghahanap ako ng gusto kong kain. Tingnan nyo to, oh.
Chicken looks nice, huh?
Is that real chicken love or just
Yeah.
Is it?
It's yes it is. It's like a
It looks
sugar coating
fake.
or something.
It looks fake.
It's like oh no, maybe it's fake.
It's fake. Hanap ako ng mga kain ko. Parang ang hirap na mamamili. Ito ramen. Sa dami hindi mo na alam kung anong bibilhin mo. Meron pa doon, oh. Kain po. So, nag-order din ako ng passion fruit juice, watermelon, and then green tea. Ito yung ating food. Same lang yung mga pagkain namin. So, ayan. Kain po. Tapos na kaming kumain. Before pala kayo mag-purchase ng pagkain, kailangan yung bumili nitong card na to. Luludan nyo lang siya. Example, meron kayong 200 pesos. Tapos yung 200 pesos nyo, hindi nyo naubos. Then, pwede nyo siyang i-refund. Meron silang cashier beside the entrance doon, oh. May mga dessert din siya doon. Pero ito yung mga pagkain, noodles, rice. Ang dami. Ang dami kayong pagpipilian. Actually, mura siya. 60 baht is around $2. O, diba? Meron ka ng masarap na meal. And this one, fruit juice also $2. So, kabog. Ayan. So, ngayon, punta na kami sa aming, hotel. After this. Yeah? How is it?
It's okay lang.
It's okay lang? I like this one. Try this one. It's no, sugar. Is it too sweet? Why? Why did you put... Not bad. It's pretty good. Yeah, how's yours, Nicole? Good. Nandito na kami sa accommodation namin, mga kalalab. Sobrang ganda ang luwang. Pwede kami mag-tumbling ni Nicole dito, oh. Grabe. So, after kami nag-lunch, diretso kaagad kami dito sa aming accommodation. Pero naghintay kami ng 1 hour kasi yung check-in nila is 2 p.m. Sabi nila hindi pa daw malinis yung room. But I think it's already clean. They just want you to check in at 2 p.m. because they have rules, I guess. So, so it's already 1:30. Sabi nung receptionist, pwede na kayo mag-check-in, pero next time, please make sure it's 2 p.m. Sabi niya kasi, I think it's already cleaned that time, but they let us wait.
That's why I gave her the comments. I was like,
Yeah.
most places around the world will let you in a half an hour early. Come on.
Yeah. Kasi ano eh, mahal yung binayad mo dito. Pero, rules is rules, but then at the same time, alam mo yun, lahat ng hotel na pinag-istihan namin, they let us in earlier. But, yeah, let's do a quick tour, mga kalalabs. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ating, titirhan. Ito muna yung ating tahanan for 2 weeks. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, pagpasok mo, kitang-kita na yung pinakamalaking living room. And then, this side will be the kitchen. So, meron siyang kasamang ref, meron kang lutuan, meron kang microwave. Oven yata to microwave. And then, sink of course. Meron tayong dining table, TV, sofa. Wow, I like this sofa. Looks so comfy. And then, tingnan nyo yan, oh. Yung nakasulat. Live big, dream big. Oh, diba? And then, meron tayong room dito. Dalawa ang room. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami ni Papa. I think this one. This is our room. Ayan. Okay naman siya. Good for 2. I think it's a queen size bed. Meron siyang saksakan dito sa side ng bed frame. Malaki siya, mga kalalabs. Really nice. And then, dito is, of course, bathroom. Ayan, yung bathroom. Simple. And then, meron tayong cabinet dito. We are going to put our clothes here inside. May kasama siyang plancha at saka, kabakabayo. Yung pang ng plancha. Yung damit. And then, in this side, we have Nicole's room. Oh my God. This is so big. Wow! What a nice room, Nicolette. Dalawang bed. I think we will know, Nicole.
I think Nicole's gonna
Yeah.
take the other one.
You're gonna take that one because we're gonna put this one together.
Why? Because it's bigger?
No, look at yeah, it's bigger and then the other one is small.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our room. And then I like this idea.
There's 2 people here. That's
Yeah. And then I can talk to Papa Dave. My love, how are you today?
why. How are you?
Oh my God, I need to rest. I only have 2 hours sleep.
Oh, I got a knee pillow.
Wow! And then, this is our view. Yung highway, pero it's okay lang kasi may mga puno. It's really nice and big, love.
It is pretty big, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool.
And then there's 2 balcony. Oh no, what is that? That's the aircon. Sorry. We have balcony also, mga kalalabs. Pakita ko sa inyo yung balcony. Is this real? Fake to, I think fake. Looks real. Fake pala siya. And this is our balcony. Alam nyo, pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng balcony.
Too
Pag
bad
ma-
we didn't get the slide.
What slide? Oh yeah, I know. We don't have babies. We have Nicole. Okay, so they have washing machine. Pwede ka maglaba dyan. And this is our view. Wow, ang ganda naman dito, mga kalalabs. I think that's hotel also, oh. Restaurant. Malapit lang din kami sa mga mga kalalabs, kainan. Ang ganda dito. May mga like, ang daming puno. Ayan, yan yung ating accommodation. Sobrang nice. Ito ang ating home. Sweet home for 2 weeks. Ready to go out na, mga kalalabs. Nakatulog kami ng 2 oras. So, hahanap kami ng kakainan and then, magpapamassage kami. Are you ready, Nicole? Let's turn off the light. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Yay! Let's go. Tara, let's bagets. So, hindi ko alam kung okay yung outfit natin, pero
So
I
did
think
they
it's
clean our
fine.
rooms?
Yeah. What?
They clean our rooms?
No. Are they going to clean our rooms every day? No, I don't think so. Not really. They are? Oh. Wala akong gagawin. Hindi ako maglilinis.
Or where's my others I had?
I give it to you, this one.
Phew.
Mm. That's broken, and this is yours. Okay, tara, let's bagets na. Oh, how about the key, love? Look at the key, it's so big. Can we just leave it in the front desk? You think so?
Sometimes you take the ring off and see here.
Yeah. You don't want to...
Bring it.
Yeah, just... It's big though.
Yeah, we'll just leave it at the desk.
Yeah, I think leave it in the...
Or you can put it in your purse.
I can put it in mine.
Oh, this is crazy though. They only give you one key.
They only have one key.
That's how we're supposed to like ever get in and stuff.
Yeah. Maybe ask downstairs. Okay, let's go. Merry Christmas! Central World Mall kami mga kalabs. Grabe, ang laki ng mall na to. So many people. Okay, hahanap kami ng aming pagkain. Follow natin si Papa Dave. Sino ang gusto ng halo-halo? Tingnan nyo yan, oh my gosh. This is, I think this is cassava roots. Wow, look at that. And taro. Wow, this is amazing. Like, oh my gosh. Mabubusog tayo. Ano ba to? What is this one?
Halo.
Halo-halo, more halo-halo.
Wow. Oh,
It's all, yeah.
What time?
That's a sweet one, love.
Oh yeah.
Where is that place? We can't find it. Kain.
Morning Gloria.
How is it, Nicole?
He's still doing it.
Cool.
Got 2 conversations going.
Weird. Maybe he's thinking a different person. Imagine. Who is this person? Oh, it's this person.
Yeah. The pictures made everything look so small. It's actually smart. But it makes you order more.
True. Tapos na kaming kumain mga kalalab. So now naman, lakad-lakad lang kami dito. Sobrang ganda sa gabi. Kasi nakapunta kami dito umaga yata yun or noon. Ayun be, there's a clothing shop down there too. Nicole, this is your Korean brand, oh.
Gentlewoman.
Yeah, no, the Gentlewoman is upstairs, but this is the one that Papa is talking about. Babe, is that the one?
They're everywhere.
Okay. Uy, ang ganda, oh. Siam Street. Wow. Anyway, punta kami dito. May scientific sila dito mga kalalabs, oh. Wow. Meron akong gamit dito, sobrang ganda. Ito, yung blue ngayon. Yan yung gamit ko. Dati itong kulay gold, ngayon blue na. Okay, let's go. Let's pay. Bili lang ako ng mask.
Cream cheese garlic bread.
Massage time. Excited na ba? Nandito na kami sa bahay, mga kalalabs. Na-enjoy namin yung massage. Si Papa Dave parang na-injured yata yung kanyang shoulder. Last time yung yung complain niya sa akin yung legs niya. Tapos today, I think starting yesterday and today, masakit na yung shoulder niya kaya nagpamasahe kami. Nawala naman yung sakit ng likod ko. Pero yung legs ko din, meron ding problema. O, diba? Ay, nako. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, tumatanda na tayo. Or kailangan din lang ng stretching. Kasi yun yung hindi namin nagagawa, yung pag-stretch. Sabi ko sa kanya, we should start doing that. Anyway, na-enjoy namin yung aming araw dito parang unang araw namin dito sa Thailand. Na-enjoy namin yung pagkain, masarap siya. And then, yung paglalakad namin. Medyo malayo kami sa ibang place.
dito sa accommodation namin, kailangan mo maglakad papunta dun sa mga Central Mall, ano pa ba, yung Siam Mall or Siam Paragon or something like that. Pero madali lang naman. And alam nyo ba na yung ano ngayon, yung init is hindi ganun kainit. So, it's easy to walk around. Pero pwera lang siguro pag ano mga around 12 noon, mga ganyan. Pero may lakad kami tomorrow nila Papa Dib. Meron siyang ano, dental appointment. Meron kasing nasirang ngipin niya dito sa may, dito yata o sa taas. Parang nag-crack siya. May nakain siya na matigas na pagkain. Na-crack yung ngipin niya. Hindi ko alam kung nabanggit ko to before sa inyo. Pero meron siyang ano, parang yung mga ngipin niya ano, yung ano bang tawag dito? Fragile. Kasi laging pag may nakakagat yan na matigas na pagkain, nagka-crack yung ngipin niya kaagad. So dito niya ipapagawa kasi alam naman natin sa ano, sa mahal nito. Sa Canada mahal. Kaya buti na lang, punta kami dito and then mapapagawa niya yung ngipin niya. Iniisip ko din na magpalinis ng ngipin dito at saka si Nicole. So hindi ko pa alam kung kailan. And then, I think plano din namin magpatingin sa doktor, general check-up, mga ganyan. Pero wala pa sa plan, iniisip pa lang namin, baka gawin namin siya. Para ma-check kung ano ba yung kulang sa amin, baka may vitamins kaming kailangan inumin, mga ganyan, para maging healthy ba. Kasi lately, medyo hindi okay yung ano namin, yung health namin ni Papa Dib. So, I guess, tumatanda na tayo, di ba? Anyway, may mga nabili kami. Bumili kami ng ground coffee. Pero, hindi namin ito magagawa tomorrow kasi wala pa kami nung coffee maker siya na press. Ipa-press mo siya. And then, magkakaroon ka ng fresh brewed coffee. Ayaw ni Papa Dib yung Nescafe na instant. So, bumili kami ng ground coffee. Gagawin natin to tomorrow. Bibili kami ng coffee press sa IKEA. Kasi doon din yung area kung saan magpapagawa ng ngipin si Papa Dib. Bumili din ako ng green tea. Kasi para, alam mo yun, easy tayong maka-digest. Kasi ito yung ginagamit ko pag hindi ako natutunawan ng bongga. At saka hindi ako makabawas. May problema ako sa ganyan yung hindi ka, like pag lumilipat ka ng ibang lugar, kunyari sa Canada, normal yung pagbabawas mo. Pag nag-travel ka naman pa uwi ng Pinas, nagbabago siya. 2 araw, 3 araw, hindi ako nagbabawas. So, ngayon naman, 2 araw na, hindi pa rin ako nagbabawas. So, hoping tomorrow is, alam niyo yun, makatulong tong green tea. Ma-flash tayo. Bumili ako ng Pond's na powder. Kasi sometimes, gusto ko sana yung Snake ba yun? Snake brand ba yun? Kaso nga lang malaki, powder siya na nilalagay pag meron kang rashes, yung heat rashes ba? Pero ito na lang gagamitin ko kasi pag nagra-rub yung skin mo, diba? Especially sa my legs, nagkakaroon siya ng yung hindi siya rashes, yung parang namumula. So, kailangan mo ng powder para hindi siya matuluyan na maging rashes, parang ganun. And, bumili din ako nito, pang face mask natin. Ito yung napili ko kasi nakasale siya. And then sabi nung, kailang mga kalalabs, puputulin ko lang. Humingi kami ng pampalambot ng bed kasi medyo matigas. Wait lang ha. Inaayos nila yung bed namin. Kasi itong si Papa din, natitigasan siya dun sa higaan. Humingi siya ng ng pampalambot ba. Ay naku, itong asawa ko. Anyway, ito yung mga nabili natin. Ayun na nga, face mask. Tapos ito kay Nicole, cleansing oil. Cleansing oil? Nabili niya dun sa Saan ba namin ito binili? Hindi ko na alam yung pinagbilan namin. Doon sa may Siam Street or something like that. Ayan, ito yung brand. And bumili ulit ako ng ganito. Maganda to eh. Especially pag sumasakit yung ulo mo, tsaka nagbabiyahe ka. Nakaka-relax. Yan lang yung nabili natin for today. Let's smell this one. Oh, smells good.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Bili pa ako ng marami nito kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan pa kami makakabalik dito sa Thailand. Isa lang yung binili ko ngayon. Pero bibili ako ng marami. Maganda to eh. Ayan. Hintayin lang natin matapos sila. Kuya. Para ayusin yung higaan. Oh my gosh. Ito yung asawa ko. And then, Hugas lang ako ng face. And that's it. Happy now, my love?
Oh, much better.
Much better. Kasi kanina talaga, matigas talaga siya. Kasi, natulog kami ng 2 hours. And matigas siya. And ganyan siya, oh. Hiwalay kami ni Papa. Pero pagdidikitin namin yan mamaya. Para magkatabi. Kasi yung room ni Nicole, pang single lang talaga yun. So, ito yung pinili namin. Alam niyo, maganda dito mga kalalos. Ang dami niyang saksakan. Ayan, oh. Sobrang daming saksakan. Ngayon, comfy na yon si Papa Dave. Ako naman ay mag-edit ng vlog. Ganda talaga nitong place na to. Sobrang nice. I love it. Mag-edit ako ng vlog mga kalalabs. Para may mapanood kayo. At saka, na rin ako. Parang ang dilim-dilim. Alam mo yun, yung feeling ko parang ang itim-itim ng face la ko dun sa camera. Okay ba? Kaloka. Pero ang dilim-dilim naman dito. But yeah, mag-end na rin ako ng vlog mga kalalabs. Thank you all for watching. Sana po in-enjoy nyo yung ating day 1 dito sa Thailand. Tomorrow will be another day. Sana ay supportahan nyo yung ating vlog. Maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. I-ring nyo po yung bell icon para ma-notify po kayo sa tuwing mag-upload tayo ng panibagong video. See you on our next vlog mga kalalabs. God bless us all. Stay safe and always be kind. Bye-bye!